Hello everyone, I am Sukirti. I am an educator guiding, helping and motivating students from last so many years. Welcome to my channel Learn, Practice, Achieve. Today we will discuss real numbers, some extra questions in practice session 4, and those extra questions are based on HCF and LCM. So let's start. Now start with the first question, that is the LCM of two number is 14 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 600. If one number is 280, then find the other number. So first of all, write down what are the things given. The LCM of two number is 14 times their HCF. It means HCF is not given and LCM is based on HCF. So let HCF is equal to X. Then what is LCM? LCM is equal to 14 times of their HCF. It means 14 multiplied by X is equal to 14X. Now what else is given? The sum of LCM and HCF is 600. So LCM we know, HCF we know. Now we have to find out their sum. So X plus 14X is equal to 600. And if one of the number is 208, if the numbers are A and B, let A is equal to 280. Now we have to find out what is B. Okay. Now start solving this question. These are the things we know and the things what we have to find out, that is B. So if HCF and LCM are given and one of the number is given, then there is a formula for this to find out the other number. So to find out other number, the formula is LCM of A and B multiply HCF of A and B by one of the number. Suppose here we will take A because the value of A is given, that is equal to the other number, that is B. So LCM of A and B. So how to find out LCM of A and B? From this equation we will find out what is LCM and what is HCF. So X plus 14X is equal to 600. So first let us solve this. X plus 14X is equal to 600. Then 15X is equal to 600. Then X is equal to 600 divided by 15 is equal to 40. If X is equal to 40, then 14X, it means this is HCF. Now LCM is equal to 14X, it means 14 into 40 is equal to 560. So LCM is 560 and HCF is 40. So now put this value in this formula. So LCM of A and B is equal to 560. HCF of A and B is equal to 40. Now one of the number given, that is A is equal to 280. This is equal to the other number B. Okay. Now cancel the numbers. 0 and 0 cancel. 28 2s are 56. So B is equal to 40 into 2, that is equal to 80, and that is your answer. Now the second question is, find the smallest number which when increased by 17 exactly divisible by both 520 and 468. So here first we have to find out what are the things given. Two numbers, that is 520 and 468, and you have to find the smallest number. Again, if it is smallest number, we have to find out the LCM. Then because the number is not given, so we will take here, let the number be X. Okay. And which when increased by 17. If this number is increased by 17, then only it will be divisible by 520 and 468. So the number is equal to X plus 17, and this X plus 17 will be divisible by 520 and 468. So first of all, we have to find out the LCM of these two numbers. So 520, if we will make the prime factorization, then 2, then again 2, then again 2, then 5, then 13. So 520 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 13, and this can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 5 into 13. In the same way, we will take out the prime factorization of 468. 468, again it will go by 2, 2, 3, 4, again 2, 1, 1, 7, then 3, 3 is a 9, and 3 9 ja 27, again 3, 13, then 13, 1. So this can be written as 468 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13, and this is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 13. So when we will find out the LCM of these two numbers, LCM is equal to the highest power, that is 2 to the power 3, into here 3 to the power 2, then here 5, and then 13. So when we will multiply all these numbers, we will get 4680. So LCM is 4680. Now whatever LCM, find the smallest number which when increased by 17 is exactly divisible by this number. So now x plus 17 is equal to 4680. Now what is x? X is equal to 4680 minus 17, that is equal to 4663. So the required number is equal to 4663. अगर आपको मेरा आज का वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी नहीं भूलना, क्योंकि आप सारे वीडियोस में मैं न्यू टिप्स आपको देती जाऊंगी विच विल क्रिएट मोर इंटरेस्ट इन यू. तो आप जल्दी से ही सॉल्व करना कोशिश करेंगे और डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस को भी अटेम्प्ट करना शुरू करेंगे. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get my new upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.